So in panic situation, you have to use one tool called stop tool. Stop tool is, S is for step back. Panic is anxious situation. When you are in dire strait, when you are in a serious problem, you have the exam, you have not studied anything, or you want to go somewhere for a hospital, you are having pain but you don't have money or no friend to accompany. That is a dire strait for you in a stressful situation. So step back, because in panic all the rational connectivity to the brain is lost. Means you cannot think properly. All the thoughts get entangled with each other and you will not have straight clear thinking. Your clarity is lost. You will be in confusion. So in such a dire strait, in such a serious emotional turbulence, you have to organize your thoughts. Means step back, just you have to calm down, slow down, then think, then organize, then proceed. Step back means you have to come back. If there is a serious thing going on, you have to calm down yourself, slow down. Then thoughts started coming up. Then when thoughts come, you can organize them, which way to go. Okay, I don't have money, I can borrow from this friend, I can take this friend, I can take help from this person, I can call home. You can organize many things. But if you panic and take a decision, it will be a totally wrong decision, because the brain will not function properly. The brain gets entangled. The cerebroneural activity gets confused. So use the stop tool. It's a wonderful tool. Step back, think, organize, proceed. Then you will totally be in peace, because you will take the right decision, get in touch with the right resource, with the right person. Otherwise, something happens in a dire strait, you will be confused. Whatever you choose to take, it will be a confusing decision. You will be in more trouble. Lot of studies have proved the same thing. When they are almost to hit the car in an accident, instead of pressing the brake, they will press the accelerator. So which one? I mean, that they have been doing for ages, driving the car. But in that confusion, they don't know what to press. There is a puzzling moment in the brain. Which one to press? They get confused. With the right leg, which one to press? Is it a brake or accelerator? Brake or in panic. So in panic, slow down. It less than a second, that's slowing down. Then choose the activity. Not to panic. When there is a fire breakout also, you should not panic. You should always, when you are a manager of a disaster management, when there is a fire breakout, immediately calm down the audience. This is what the training given to the air hostess, flight attendants and all. When there is a turbulence to the flight, They will not panic. Air hostess will slowly say, there is a turbulence, then we are taking care, then don't move from here and there. If they panic, passengers will panic more, and then they can actually tilt the flight. If everybody moves towards the front end or the rear end, it will go up and down. So in any disaster, in any crisis, if you have to crisis evacuation, if there is a fire breakout or short circuit or something or a mob stampede, you should give the instruction with confidence. This is what the training given to all the people who frequently face disasters or managers of crisis management. Because the brain functioning will be overlapping. Which one to go, where to go, whom to save, all this. So you stop. They are trained to do that. All the fire extinguishing people, all the fire personnel, then health evacuation personnel, then crisis managers, all these people are trained to be very, very balanced. If they are not balanced, the audience, the passengers, all of them get panic. Once in panic, everybody will move here and there. They won't see the exit. No, they can't see the emergency exit and all. Slow down, calm down. Then slowly take up a decision. It need not be any crisis. Even in emotions, we cannot take a decision. There is severe emotion passing through your body, mind and soul. You should calm down. Why is it happening to me? What is the reason? What is the best course of action? Think for some time. Think the alternatives. Then choose the decision. Then the decision that comes out of such kind of rational thinking will be just right. So no panic. In panic you will fail. So anything in panic you stop. If someone asks for a decision, you don't right away give away your decision. If you don't like it, take some time to think. This is what people do. They will say, they will not think, okay, I'll do this, I will do that. They won't be able to do. Think million times before giving an agreement. But once you give an agreement, you have to follow it. Otherwise, you have to face the consequences. Because like even in marriages, I see they'll give quick decision and later they may not like, then all the problems come. Take some time to get clarity. In ambiguity, you can't take a decision. If you are in clarity, the decision that comes out of it will be just right. Because this is a rational thinking and irrational thinking fusing together in the same place.